In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A15 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that, my switcher and all of those features are gray. That means that autofill is off, but you can always turn it back on by hitting the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!